Good morning, K1 friends. It's Friday. Wearing my Hilltop shirt. Miss Kathy has hers on.
Yay. Can't see mine.
All right,
Oh, and we have Stubby here today. I didn't bring Pearl.
We have a special guest.
Because Pearl barks at the poor ladies upstairs.
He does. All right, here we go. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. Hilltop Pride Day still. Silas is kindergartner of the week. A new month, our last month. What?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. So we have lots of things happening. Our kindergartners of the week are the last three. Our Hilltop Pride Days. We've got Mother's Days coming up. Make something special.
Oh, we should do a craft.
I know. I pulled out some things, so we'll figure how.
Yeah, we have
to
time.
Do something. Yeah. We've got one school's out, but in May there's Memorial Day and Hallie's birthday. And hopefully a K1 graduation celebration somewhere in there where we can all see each other. Don't know the exact date, but that's our last day of school is right here. So.
And are we doing videos for the last week? We are, but they're just going to be lighter.
Yeah.
We'll probably just do fun things.
Yeah, some different stuff going on.
So we'll stop the real teaching on the 15th. Not the real teaching, but the...
Which means I probably gave more work, but you can work on it whenever you want.
Yeah, you have all summer.
All right, so let's move over to how many days we've been in school. 149, which means one more. On Monday, we'll have a smelly sticker. And do that same number on your
What you looking for,
things.
Stub?
Stub, you going to do math binders with us? Huh? So find number 9. Make sure you have 9 stickers.
He's just hanging out right here.
All right. Go ahead, pause it if you need to. Or pause it on Stubby while you do it. So you can look at Stubby, huh?
Hi, Stubbs.
I know.
He's like a boy. He's like a boy.
All right. Turn that off.
I wish we could have dogs at school.
That would be fun.
That would be fun.
All right.
Although I don't know if we'd get anything done.
No, we probably wouldn't. On Wormy's page, we are writing the number 149.
Look at that.
We are so close to being done.
That is crazy.
Tooth graph, I'll pass by. Oh, look at our new month. So.
And Mrs. Anderson already colored hers.
I did, and it's a Friday today, right?
Yes.
So, I know, I did color it. On the first row, this is where it's going to be tricky. You got to start somewhere different. Today is Friday. Number 1, right? Find Friday. And the first box underneath. That's where you're going to write it. Take some time. You don't have to do it all today, or you can. It's up to you. To color your calendar as well. So, May 1st. Our May tally mark is totally empty, fresh, open. So there's our first tally mark for the month. Take some time to look out the window, do your weather graph. Also write May up here so you know that it's the May weather graph, M-A-Y. Fill that in, pause it if you need to, if your window's not nearby. And then this was still from the week, so I didn't put in a new one because we have Friday. We're still doing...
Oh yeah, +0.
+0. So I've got how many up here? This is another number that's hard to write. Yesterday was 5. Today I did a number 2. Ooh, my pen is making noises. Because 2s are also a tough one to write. So they don't look like a Z or whatever. So we're going to practice writing a number 2. Because you can see there's 2 of them. So when you do a 2, you start at the top and you do a curve and then you do a straight line across. That's kind of a funny 2, but similar to that. And then a 0. So 2 plus 0 equals 2. That was a better one. So, you know, it just takes practice. Sometimes even those who have done it a while, like me, even have a hard time. Yeah. So red is what I need. Not that it matters. You can do blue too. 2 plus 0 equals 2.
I'm struggling today, Mrs. Anderson. I'm sleepy.
You hear Miss Kathy yawning.
I know, I'm sorry.
Today we are buying pizza. Yum, pizza sounds good for lunch. So go ahead and draw for 50 cents. Oh, we're not drawing yet. You gotta do their 50 cents. Lots of different ways that you can show 50 cents. You can do...
Are you listening, Stubbs?
I know.
It's good learning.
It's good learning. How many quarters would you need for 50 cents? Think about that one. I'm not going to do quarters. I'm going to do something different. I'm going to use dimes. So if I were using dimes, how many would I need? We're going to count by tens as we put them up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So how many dimes? 5. 50 cents. So I'm going to draw a quick
He's watching
I
you.
know.
It's funny.
A quick pizza here, you can color it in a little more. Last time I did a little bit more of it, but 50 cents. And you can do the 5 dimes here, or you can do 2 quarters. Either way, there's many other ways too. How many nickels would you need? Think about that one as well. Oh, a new poem.
Oh, we got to learn a new one.
We do. So same as always, chicken soup with rice. Take some time this month to color it too, so it's fun when you look at it. All right, let's read it together, or you can listen and read along as you follow, or follow as you read along. Yeah.
Follow as
All
you
right.
read along.
In May, I truly think it best to be a, what is this kind of bird? Robin, lightly dressed, so he just has his chef hat on, concocting soup inside my nest. Mix it once, mix it twice, mix that chicken soup with rice. And I know usually I forgot. I ask you, what do you think the poem's about by looking at the picture? So he's this bird, it's a robin, he's got the red front with his chef hat on, and he's mixing it in his nest. Concocting. That means
Our
he's
phone's
putting
ringing.
together. It is ringing.
That's
I wonder who
unusual.
it is. All right, and our song today.
Oh, do you have your singing voice, Mrs.
I think so. She'll be coming around the mountain. All right, so we're spelling May. Just 3 letters. Here we go. M-A-Y spells May, can't you see? M-A-Y spells May, can it be? M-A-Y spells May, we can spell it every day. M-A-Y spells May, yes sirree. Stubby, you didn't like my singing?
You know, he doesn't like the phone.
Oh, the phone.
If ever I'm on the phone, he whines the whole time.
Interesting.
It's
Oh,
so
you're
weird.
on it.
Well, no,
So-
I think it was the ringing that
Oh,
bothered
that could
him.
be. So that's our song. We'll do it again on Monday without me laughing because Stubby was whining.
He's like,
This-
please stop. No, I'm just kidding.
Every day, this here on the bottom, we're going to add words that rhyme with May. So let me come up here to our, if I find it. When you do rhyming words like kindergarten with our at words,
I'm gonna back
we're
up.
going to think of words that have the A sound. So it doesn't have to have AY at the end, but a lot of those are, but it could sound like the A at the end. So who can think of a word? Think of one. Miss Kathy, do you have one? She's raising her hand.
Bay.
Ooh, that's a good one. So bay will be today's word that we'll write in a box. So you see it has the A sound, but it also has the same letters, so you know it rhymes. So you're just going to write it in a box. Bay. Today, right now, we'll do a lot together, and then come to the bottom. You guys can think of your own, but we'll work together till we get some. So May, bay.
Rhymes.
All right, first grade.
Oh, a new one.
It is. So it's a little different. We're not doing abbreviations anymore.
You
We're
didn't
back.
move odd and even. Oh, you couldn't because you'd already sent it out.
I had already, yeah.
Mhm.
So now we're writing the whole thing. But May is short,
Oh.
so only 3 letters, so it works out. So today is Friday, and it's May. So you're going to write the whole thing out. Friday, I'm not going to write it all, but spell out the whole word. May 1st, 2020. April, the code date, it's 4. So what do you think May is? 5/1/2020. Is 1 an odd or even?
You remarried.
I know I did. All right, so this has changed. So now it's how many days have we been in school? So now you're writing the big number.
Ooh.
So now it is 100. That always goes down.
I know. Makes it hard.
It's harder to write this with a... Hang on. 100 is 2 words. I didn't have a space between them. 149. And then here, how many days in school? The same thing. 149. You add your decimal point, 2 spots over the dollar sign. So you make $1.49. Today's number is still 149. 10 less, 10 more, 2 less, 2 more. So the same that we did before. And then the down here is the same thing too, 149, showing it on the base 10 blocks. By this time we'd be doing stamps, but I didn't have enough stamps to go home. So you get to color it in. That is it for today. Tomorrow is not tomorrow, Monday, we are doing a field trip. So I'm gonna wear my shirt again. Well, maybe not this one, but a Hilltop shirt. Because
Oh,
we're
for
gonna go on a
field trip day. Oh, that's a smart
So,
idea.
Yeah, so
Wear your
wear
Hilltop shirts.
shirts on Monday for our field trip. We'll be doing our math binder and then doing a virtual tour. All right, see you later. Have a good Friday. Bye.